We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make baked oatmeal cups. In a big bowl, we're mashing up one of our favorites, banana. Choose 1 cup of any fruit or vegetable puree. Add in 1.5 cups of your milk of choice. That's dairy, almond, oat, really whatever's living in your fridge. Then toss in a little sweetener. We use 2 tablespoons of honey, but you can use a little more, up to about 1/4 cup, depending on how sweet you like your baked goods. Then add a splash of flavor extract, vanilla here, but there are others. And then 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of a spice. We use cinnamon for warmth with the banana. Now stir in your old-fashioned oats, not quick oats, definitely old-fashioned for a more hearty bite. And add in any delicious extras. Think blueberries, walnuts, chocolate chips, or go wild and mix them all in. Spray or oil your muffin pan well so they don't stick. Scoop a full 1/4 cup into each muffin cup. Pop them in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes till they're golden brown and set. No wiggling when you jiggle the pan. Let them cool just a bit. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.